Right, so today we're diving into something pretty different, I think.
Yeah.
It's called Act One, the AI prophecy. Um,
Interesting name.
yeah, and we hear all this stuff about AI and all these new AI assistants and everything like that. But this is aiming to be something they're calling the Linux of AI.
Clinics of AI.
Yeah, so I think this is gonna be really interesting to kind of unpack and see
Yeah.
what they're talking about here.
Absolutely.
So what is Act I all about? I mean,
So it's not just another,
another AI assistant.
yeah, it's not just like another, Siri or Alexa that's trying to,
Yeah.
sit on your counter and answer all your questions or anything like that. It's a whole ecosystem
Oh,
where
yeah.
multiple AI systems can actually like interact and collaborate with each other
Interesting.
and with humans, and it's all powered by their ACT token.
Okay, so the ACT token plays a part in this whole.
Yeah, it's like the fuel for the ecosystem.
Interesting. So how does that work? I mean, like,
So developers, they use it to access and power the AI systems that they
oh,
build within ACT.
okay,
And what's really cool is that anyone can develop and contribute these AI agents.
okay.
It's open source.
So kind of like
Yeah, very similar to Linux.
I'm starting to see where they get the Linux of AI from.
Exactly.
So it's not just like a Google or a Microsoft controlling this whole thing.
Exactly, yeah.
Open source.
It's really about empowering the community to come in and build the future of AI.
That's really interesting. So do I need to be like a programmer
It's
to
really not.
interact with these AI agents?
No, not at all. You could simply use an app or a platform like Discord. Actually, they
Right.
are integrating with Discord.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so you could actually just hop on Discord and interact with these AI agents. Imagine, asking a question and having multiple AI agents,
Oh,
each with
okay.
their own expertise, collaborate to give you the most comprehensive answer.
Oh, that's really interesting. Okay, so you're not getting just like one answer.
Yeah.
You're getting like a multifaceted
Exactly.
perspective on things.
Yeah, yeah.
That's really fascinating. So we talked about how AI wants to break the mold of like
Right.
the typical AI assistant.
Yeah.
What does that actually mean? What would that look like in a real
Okay.
world scenario?
They want to go beyond AI just being helpful and harmless and honest.
Okay.
And I think like a good example is like storytelling.
Okay.
Imagine like AI participating in like a complex story or even role playing with you.
Okay.
Let's say you're designing a video game.
Okay.
You can describe your vision to these AI agents, and they could actually help you by generating character designs, storylines,
Huh.
even level layouts,
That's amazing.
all based on your input.
So it's really like a collaborative effort.
Exactly. It's a truly collaborative, creative process.
Wow. So you're not just giving commands.
Yeah.
You're actually going back and forth and
Exactly.
and getting the AI is actually participating in the creative
Yeah.
process.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's really interesting. I mean, it all sounds so futuristic. I'm so
Oh,
kind
yeah.
of curious, like, what implications could ACT-I have on how AI develops,
Yeah.
in the next few years?
That's a big question.
Yeah.
I think ACT-I is really betting on a future where AI isn't confined to these single-purpose tasks.
Okay.
It's like this network of specialized AI agents
Mm-hmm.
all working independently and together to solve these complex problems
Yeah.
that maybe we haven't even thought of yet.
That's really interesting.
It's a very radical departure from the current model.
Yeah, this is.
And it has the potential to completely reshape the entire AI landscape as we know it.
So it sounds like ACT-I is proposing this future where we're not just users of AI, but we're actually collaborators with
Oh,
it,
collaborators, exactly.
that's a really interesting concept.
Yeah.
And I guess that brings us to the question for all of you listening. In this future, where we're interacting with this network of specialized AI agents, what role will you play?
That's a good question.
What will you create?
Mm-hmm.
Think about it. And until next time, keep diving deep.
Keep diving deep.
All right.
See ya.